Now that we've seen one document, we will create a corpus, a collection of documents that can be processed together. As with a single document, we right-click on Language Resources and then select New Corpus from the New menu. The parameters for the new Gate Corpus dialog opens. This dialog has only two fields. The first field is Name. We'll call this Corpus_1. The second field displays the Gate documents that are part of the corpus. Using the button at the right of the field, we can select existing Gate documents for the corpus. We're going to populate by importing new documents into Gate. Therefore, we click OK without selecting any existing Gate documents. The corpus now appears under Language Resources in the Resources pane. We do need to add documents, so we'll right-click on the corpus and choose Populate. The selected directory and Allow Extensions dialog opens. In the directory URL field, we specify the location of the folder that holds the files we want. We do this using the Folder button located to the right of the field. Note that we are selecting the folder, not the files within the folder. In the Extensions field, we define the types of files we want from the folder. For example, if the folder contains both text and XML files, you click the button to the right of the field to only select the XML files from the folder. As with a single document, we'll set the encoding field to UTF-8, then click OK. Each file loads into the Resources pane as a Gate document. When we double-click on the corpus, the files also list in the display pane as members of the corpus. The files display in the resource pane outside of the corpus because they may be annotated directly as well as through the corpus. The two methods of annotation would be integrated on a single copy of the document. To hide the corpus, right-click on the corpus name at the top of the display pane. From the menu, select Hide. As with an individual document, hiding the display does not remove the corpus or the documents from Gate Developer. Gate Developer offers several options for creating and loading documents into a corpus. We'll go over one more in this tutorial: creating a corpus from existing Gate documents. This method is handy for processing documents that you have already annotated. First, let's right-click on Language Resources and create a new corpus called Corpus_2. Below the name, you find the Documents List parameter. This allows you to select documents already imported into Gate and add them to this corpus. Click the Edit button. A new window appears. Select any document from the drop-down list and click the Add button below it. Click OK to close the document list and OK again to create the new corpus. When Corpus_2 appears in the Resources pane, we double-click on it. Note that it shows the list of documents we added before in the display pane. If at some point you wish to add additional documents, click the Add Document button shown above the display list to view a list of Gate documents. Now we select one of the listed documents and click OK. Note that the listed documents are also part of the Corpus_1 we created earlier. A Gate document can be included in any number of corpora. Now, we'll select a third document as we did before, using the Add Document button. To remove a document from the corpus, select the document you wish to remove and click the Remove Document button, located to the right of the Add Document button. Remember that you are only removing the document from this corpus. The document itself will remain in the Language Resources. We've covered how to place documents into a corpus using a variety of methods. Not only can you import documents directly into a corpus, you may add existing documents to a new corpus or even create the new corpus directly from an existing Gate document.